paragraph 270, the years of 2012 to 2013 were the birth of tokhang operations and the evil side of enforcement in Davao City by its author, the newly installed Davao City Police Office Director Colonel Ronald Bato Dela Rosa. The operations were all cleared and approved by Mayors Inday Sara Duterte Carpio and Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Your Honor, we are requesting that the portion read by the witness be bracketed and marked as Exhibit P4-35.
So ordered.
Mr. Witness, what else is the pertinent portion of this affidavit that you are referring to?
As mentioned earlier po, paragraph 270B.
For the guidance of the impeachment court, kindly read for purposes of submarking only.
While eating, Colonel Bato de la Rosa told me in Visayan dialect why you summoned me, and I quote, "Tour, short of Arturo, my first name. Nakaistorya mi ni Mayor Inday," referring to Davao City Mayor Inday Sara Duterte Carpio, party sa atwang tokhang operation. As part of our tokhang operation, ang order ni Mayor Inday sa akon nag-ilaylo sa nato ang pusil, killing through shooting. Sa atwang mga target persons, shabu users and pushers and other criminal elements in Davao City. Kaysa mukan siya media, magsige o pagunta na, pud, kidnapa, abdak na lang ninyo ang inyong target, unya, ilubong sa quarry, loud quarry. Para missing lang kay okay si Mayor Inday sa ana paagi. I talked to Mayor Inday as part of our tokhang operation. She ordered us to lay low our killings through gun shooting because the media is asking too much. Just kidnap targets, then bury them in the quarry so they would go missing. She is okay with that way. To which I answer, yes sir, sultian na ko ako ang grupo. I'll inform my group. Colonel Bato de la Rosa instructed me. I-inform tour kung naamoy maabdak na target nyo. Inform me tour whenever you are kidnap a target.
Your Honor, we are requesting that that pertinent portion read by the witness be bracketed and marked as Exhibit P435A.
So marked.
Your
So
Honor,
ordered. Counsel for respondent.
What?
We just want to register again our continuing objection, Your Honor. Again, we already allowed, Your Honor, that the witness at least identify this document. But as to the fact, Your Honor, that he is allowed to read even portions thereof, he's not the author of this affidavit. And as to the truth or falsity thereof, he is incompetent to testify on that. And it already violates, Your Honor, it already violates the rights of our clients because she's being prejudiced by the reading of this affidavit that cannot even be verified because the person is not here to testify.